Hi everyone, Sat Shri Akal ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ. Thank you for everyone who called and for those who found out that Anmol had a bit of an injury. Fortunately, it's not too bad of a damage that he's caused. So what ended up happening, he was playing in the backyard. Obviously, because of lockdown, not many options are available for kids to go play anywhere. He's playing in the backyard. He fell and landed on his arm really badly. Ended up having a short fracture. So we took him to the hospital. Had him looked after by the doctors and so on. So thankfully, nothing too major. Like we don't need to go through any sort of surgical procedure and whatnot. But he will need to be put in a cast soon for a couple of weeks, for 4 to 6 weeks. It's a typical recovery process. But we're trying to make his recovery as smooth as possible. I know, as parents, we have this knot in our stomach now that, we're watching our little guy run around and he has one arm that he can't use. So we want everyone's input to make his recovery as smooth as possible. So what we're planning on doing, we're going to, instead of go towards traditional casting process, like a plaster cast, we're going to get him a more of a digital cast. So we're going to leverage like technology to help him recover in this process. So what we have done already, we went ahead and we got his arm scanned. It's a digital 3D scan. So we scanned his left arm. His right arm is the one that's damaged, and we sent the scan to a good friend and a company in Berlin, in Germany, and they came back with a digital cast design. So the cast is going to be the one that we're going to put on. But what we're asking is if you guys can please send us your like a sticker of something or a handwritten message. And what we're going to do is we're going to apply that on the cast. It's going to be digitally on the cast. We're going to print the entire cast out, 3D printed, and then it's going to be something that Anmol is going to wear um, for his recovery, whether that's protective recovery or as an end use. We're going to go see a specialist on May 27th. So the goal is to have this cast printed and ready before that date. So I'm asking if everyone can take a minute or two out of their day and write a short message. Doesn't have to be too long, but please keep it handwritten. And we're going to put that on his cast and make it very personal for him. And really, the goal for us is to provide him with something that is personal. So you guys are all part of the recovery process. Typically, in Canada, there's a tradition when someone has a plaster cast, you take a Sharpie or a marker and you write on it. It won't be possible since many of our loved ones are not in the same country and are distant from us. So we thought, okay, well, we need to personalize this using digital stickers. So if you can WhatsApp a handwritten message with a picture or any sort of sticker that you want to be on this cast, we're happy to put that on. This is also going to be something that's going to be lighter weight for him. So we're trying to make it lighter. We're trying to make it breathable. I know we can't help Anmol in a very immediate recovery, but what we're trying to do is make it as smooth and as lightweight, as easy, as stylish as possible. So that's really the goal. And here's some examples of what you guys can do in terms of messages or stickers. But I'm going to also play a video that Harmon and Anmol and Jaslina recorded just to show you sort of what we're dealing with here. It's not too bad. He's recovering, but it is definitely something that is part of our daily for the next couple of weeks.
I think you're going.
In Toronto.
No, you're going to the hospital. Why?
That's why I need to get some medicine.
And what do you have to do to your arm?
My arm is hurting.
What is the doctor gonna do to your arm?
X-ray my arm.
They're gonna do X-ray of your arm?
Yeah.
And they're gonna give you some medicine?
Yeah.
Are you scared or are you excited?
Like it.
Yeah? You're gonna see the doctor?
Yeah, and they give me candy.
Wow.
Now I got to have it.
I see.
And they give you candy too.
Yeah, you and Papa is going?
Yeah, my papa's going and get candy.
I see.
Ah! Did you come back from the hospital?
Yeah. I get some pizza.
Can I see your arm? What are you gonna do when you go back? You're gonna get a?
Bye.
No, you're gonna get an X-ray. Are you excited?
Yeah.
And show me the sticker the hospital gave you. What does it say on the sticker?
Mine in the hospital. It's on my name on it. It's Eli. It's a emotion.
What happened?
I broke my arm.
Thank you, everyone. Please send us your messages and stickers as soon as possible. And we wish Anmol a speedy recovery.